Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make these simple yet eye-catching Christmas tags using your Cricut or Silhouette. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. I'll walk you through the steps you need to do in Cricut Design Space to customize this project yourself. Let's get started in Cricut Design Space. There are lots of tags already available to use. All you have to do is click on Images, and then type in Tag. Scroll down until you find one that you like. I'm looking for something simple that has enough room to add a name. This one should work nicely. Click on it and click Insert. I'm just going to change this color to red, so just click on the color square, and then click on the color you like. Next, let's turn the tag. You can turn the picture until you're happy with it, but I want mine exact, so I'll just click on Rotate and then type in 270 degrees. Let's just make it a bit bigger so it's easier to see. Now my tag is ready to add a name. Click on Text, then type in the name. I want to change the font to KG beneath your beautiful, which I picked up on dafont.com. If you aren't sure how to download new fonts, you can check out this other tutorial where I walk you through it step by step. Just make it bigger until you're happy with the size and placement. I'm happy with how everything looks, except that this Y seems a little far away. This is an easy fix though. Just click on the word, and then click Ungroup on the top corner. This changes this layer from a word into individual letters instead. I'll just move the Y over to a better spot, and then I have to put the word back together again. When you're happy with the positioning, highlight the letters, and then click Weld at the bottom of the screen. Now all the letters are stuck together and back as a whole word. My plan for these tags is to have a name cut out on each one. The first step of this process is to highlight both the word and the tag layer, and then down at the bottom, click Slice. I can use the Slice tool to cut the word right out of the tag. This tool only works if there are only 2 layers selected. If you ever try to use it, but you can't click the button, the problem is that you have more than 2 layers selected. Delete the layers that you don't need, and this tag looks almost ready to cut. There is a problem that we need to fix though, before we go ahead. If you look right here, the middle of each D isn't connected to anything. So if I cut this out right now, my machine would cut it out just as it looks, and the middle of both these would fall off as soon as I took it off the mat. To fix this, we need to add a little connecting line so that the middle stays connected. Over on the side, click on Shapes and pick a square. Click the little lock icon at the bottom of the shape. Now that it's unlocked, I can change it from a big square to a skinny rectangle. We're going to take this little rectangle and place it over the treble letters. Just copy and paste as many of these little rectangles as you need so that the middle of all the letters stay in place. Once you have everything in place, highlight the whole tag, and then down at the bottom, click Weld. Weld will stick everything together as one cohesive image. This tag is done and ready to cut. You can repeat this process for as many tags and names as you need, and then you're ready to cut. Add a string and these tags are ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.